that's number 1. First find the volume of the cylinder, then the 3 spheres, the tennis balls, and then you subtract to find out how much space is left in this canister. Same thing here. You find the volume of a sphere first. That's the pink ball. And then the volume of the cylinder, subtract them, and the answer is what's left. Same here. The sphere, the cylinder, and subtract. Find the answer and then which one is bigger. At the end, you subtract them. Okay, here you get 2 cones. If you notice the small cone down here at the bottom and the big cone, find the volume of each of them. To find the volume of the drinking cup, okay, I'll do it in red. This drinking cup right here, you have to subtract the big cone minus the small cone. So in class, one of my class, we were working on the small cone. So find the numerator of the small cone and divide it by 3. So times 3.5 times 26, you get 1,000.09. When I put this here in a calculator, I got 1,000.09. Okay, and then I divide that by 3. Get the volume to be 333.4. Reason why it's 4 is 3, 6. So that 6 turns that 3 into a 4. That's the volume of that. So we subtract the big minus the small cone. So we subtract 890.19 minus the small cone of 333.34, or we'll round this to 9, 2, and this 4, right? Subtract that. That's 8,665 centimeters cubed. Area of the shaded reason. It's just to explain how to find it. I said in class all you have to do is find how, just do the math. Hopefully on the SBAC you know how to explain it. But let's do the triangle first. You're going to add because it's all shaded, right? Area is length times width divided by 2. So here's 90-degree angle, right? And then this is pointing to C. C is it, so it's the diameter of the circle. So that's 90-degree angle here. A and the length and width is 5 times 5 divided by 2. We get an answer is 12.5. Now half a circle is, because it has a circle there, pi radius squared times no height because it's not an object, divided by 2. So 3.14 times radius, we don't know the diameter, so we need to do Pythagorean Theorem. Squared plus b squared equals c squared. Oh, 25 plus 25 equals to d squared. 50 equals to d squared. Take the square root. So 50 is close to 49, which is 7. So it's probably 7.1. Diameter is 7.1. Radius then is half of 7.1. 7.1, not 7.5. Half of 7.1 is 3.55. So that's radius. You get 39.6 for the numerator. Divide that by 2. $19.8. Subtract, add, last add, they're both shaded. At 19.8 is the area feet squared. Okay, and then here, let's do the square first, area of the square. Area is length times width. 2 times 2 is 4. Area of full circle is just pi r squared. 3.14 times, we don't know the radius because we don't know this here. We don't know the diameter. So we do Pythagorean Theorem. This is your 90 degree right here is pointing to C. 2 squared plus 2 squared equals to d squared. Take the square root. Oh, 8, not 16, not multiplying. Square root of 8 is close to 9, so it's probably 3.9 or 3.8. Check, though. Square root of 8 can be 8. I mean, not 3.8, but 2. Square root of 9 is 3, so it's close. It's 2.8. Diameter is 2.8. So the radius then is 1.4. So 3.14, put it in your calculator, times 1.1 times 1.1, which is 6.15. That's a 5, so it's just rounded 6.2. You're going to last subtract. $2.2 is the answer. That's how you do that. And here's 5. Okay. Hope that helps.